Hi everyone, my name's Eloise and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install our 3D letters. As you can see behind me is my 3D letter stencil. These things are a lifesaver and make it easy for you to do the installation all by yourself. Now, all you need to put up your stencil is some masking tape and a tape measure. I've gone ahead and measured the wall and I've positioned the stencil where I want it to be. Next, you'll just need to peel off the 3M double-sided tape on the back of your letters. Once this is done, you're ready to install.